Today I will build a compressed air gun, but not just one of them. I actually have 3 different designs with different ideas and functionality, and we will build and test each of them. So how does it work? This is a compressor capable of 8 bar pressure, and that pressurized air goes through this hose to the air pistol. I want to use this pistol as the base and 3D print extensions for it. Lucky for me, there is already a thread on the pistol, so I just need to put the same thread on every extension, right? For the first design we will use beeswax as a projectile and just a simple tube to launch it. I made this in my 3D modeling program and printed it on my 3D printer. The second design of my compressed air gun is just a tube a little bit wider at the end, and this time it uses 3D printed projectile instead of wax. And this is my third and best design. The air first goes here, then through the container with these green BBs for kids, and then it shoots it
to your art.
out. I am using these cheap BBs for kids instead of real ones because they are cheap and I don't have money. Anyway, then I printed it and I had everything ready to go. First to try was obviously the first design of the gun. So I plugged the pistol into the compressor and used beeswax as a projectile. First I tried to shoot polystyrene, but the wax was too weak for that. Next was this cucumber. It did something, but nothing really impressive. So let's move to the second design. This one did something to polystyrene, but there was still no hole. Now the cucumber. So let's try something else to shoot, like for example a plush bear. Don't worry, he agreed with it. See, he even signed my consent. Now we can move to the third and I think the best design. This knocked over the polystyrene quite easily. But it just rolled the cucumber around because it's made for shooting a lot of BBs at once and not a single one with a big force. But it might be good for airsoft, but if you want to test it, we need to test it on something like not cucumber. Oh, I forgot we have this splash bear. Oh, look at him waving at you. It's so cute. After that, I calculated the speed of each projectile. This is the result I came up with. First design hit about 60 km per hour. That's about 17 meters per second or 56 feet per second. Second design hit about 85 km per hour. That's about 24 meters per second or 79 feet per second. And the BBs from the third reach around 55 km per hour. That's about 15 meters per second or 49 feet per second. For comparison, an average airsoft gun shoots BBs at 100 meters per second, which is about 360 kilometers per hour, 223 miles per hour, or 400 feet per second. So next time we definitely need more power, and I think I know how to get it.